If you're a lover of peated whiskey, keep watching and check out this amazing smoky cocktail. Hi everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to make a cocktail called the Modern Cocktail, and what I love about this is it's got two of my favorite ingredients, peated whiskey and Sloe Gin. Now the first ingredient that it calls for is peated whiskey. I'm going to use the Airstone Land Cask, 30 mils or 1 ounce. Second ingredient is obviously got to have some Sloe Gin in it. It is 30 mils or 1 ounce of Sloe Gin. I'm using the Brookies, something local Australian. If you don't have the Brookies, make sure that you use either a Hayman's or even a Plymouth Sloe Gin. Next up, 10 mils of sugar syrup or simple syrup, 1/3 of an ounce, 10 mils of freshly squeezed lemon juice, once again 1/3 of an ounce, then just a couple dashes of Gaz Regan's orange bitters. Now it also calls for a dash of absinthe, however, as you'll see soon, I'm going to spray that into my glass. Add some ice, give it a good shake. Okay, now instead of adding that little dash of absinthe before, we just have a bit of a aromatized absinthe in there. I'm just using the Lafay Blanche, and that really sounds amazing. So we're then going to just double strain it into a Angie Camorra glass. And my garnish is just a maraschino cherry. That is the Modern Cocktail. Yum. That peated whiskey is just perfectly balanced in that it's not overpowering the cocktail. The Sloe Gin, I'm actually surprised how well it goes with the peated whiskey. That lemon juice definitely needed to just balance out the sweetness from the Sloe Gin. That is a really good cocktail. If anything, I think that by spraying the absinthe into the cocktail, it's actually overpowered it just a touch. I would probably suggest that you just pour a little bit in, rinse out the glass and discard instead, but that is beautiful. Yum. If you're into your peated whiskies just as I am, check out our Whiskey Cocktails playlist. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Do you like this cocktail? See you again soon and let's talk drinks.